Yeah, life is all about improvising. Life ain't easy, so follow your instincts, follow your dreams, but don't break down. Anything you don't know what'll lead you to. Wait, hold up, live with your dreams and always try to be true. Don't let the devil repossess you. Do something positive and try to make it nice for you. Never forget for what you've done wrong. The sky is the limit, and always try to stay strong. Yeah, the most of the thing I like is to believe in yourself, and don't let your life be ruled by God or doubt. Because you were a boy, you know I'm saying all this. Cause we got some people, when it comes to your loss, your heart is filled with more. You see them become a corpse. You know what to do it and do it right, boy. You know what to do it and do it right.
You don't have a clean soul for a day. Due to your world, in the end it just make you feel like a swell. Oh, who can do any better than life anymore?
Yeah, it's easy for a reason, so that you can think it in myself. Reason for how to good. Reason no, don't fool and let yourself move into the fake zone. Improvise, overcome the darkest situation. Use burning, you're just like a fish in the pot. We're all the fishing, we're all the fishing. Yeah, just wanna say one more thing. Never did a side of debate with a feminine. You might know what I'm saying if you can relate. Don't just people who seem like a seamstress. Yes, they make your life and we're so meaningless.
You don't have a clean soul for a day. Due to your world, in the end it just make you feel like a swell. Oh, who can do any better than life anymore? Even after the roaring leave, back at your door, and that's what you do with just laying slow. You don't have a clean soul for a day. Due to your world, in the end it just make you feel like a swell.
Like and subscribe.